On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make this fun skirt using a pair of jeans pants that you already have. Fold your jeans pants like this and measure how long you want your skirt to be. Mark there and draw a line across with a ruler. Cut 1/2 inch below that. Cut the inseam open. Take the belt loop off the waistline at the back. Undo the stitches on the waistband. Taking the waistband off just makes it look a lot neater. Cut away this piece. Use a ruler to draw a straight line from the waistline at the back of the pants. Draw a straight line coming from this seam here as well. Sew on the lines. I'm using stitch length 3, tension 4, and I'm sewing on a Singer 4423 heavy duty sewing machine. You can get it on singer.com, and for a 10% discount on your order, use my code QUAINT10. Trim away the extra fabric. Cut the waistband in the middle. Open it flat like this and sew the ends together. The amount that you sew will depend on if your waistband was too big in the first place. I'm only stitching with a 1/2 inch seam allowance because my waistband wasn't that big. Cut away the excess and turn the waistband over. Pin it to the waistline of the skirt and stitch here. Stitch the top of the waistband as well. Add the belt loop to it and backstitch the top and bottom a bunch of times. If you would like to stop here, you can fold the hemline twice by 1/4 inch and that's it. To add ruffles, cut the legs of the jeans pants into 5-inch strips. Put them all together and sew with a 1/2 inch allowance. Fold the short ends twice towards the wrong side of the fabric by 1/4 inch and stitch it down. Fold and stitch the long edge in the same way. Using a stitch length of 4 and a tension of 4, stitch 2 parallel lines at the top edge of the fabric. Hold on to the bottom threads only and pull the fabric along to create gathers. Gather to a length that will go around your skirt. Undo the stitches at the side seams. I went up 6.5 inches from the hem. Put the ruffles right side down on the front of the skirt and pin it. You can adjust the ruffles to make them fit. Sew the ruffles to the skirt. Fold and stitch the back hem to an amount that feels appropriate to you. Put the back and front together, tuck the ruffles in the middle, and sew the sides. If you don't like it like this, you can add more ruffles to the back. Just put it under the hem and top stitch. Like if this was helpful and subscribe for more.